Hello everyone, welcome to our channel News Meto. Like, share, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notification of our daily news. Today's top stories are: Sachin Pilot and other rebel MLAs may meet top Congress leaders in move towards a reapproachment in the Rajasthan Congress crisis, which has pushed the party's government led by Ashok Gehlot to the edge, claims the party. Sources in the Congress claim they are on the verge of a breakthrough after weeks of standoff since Sachin Pilot launched his revolt in early July. This may involve a meeting between Mr. Pilot and the Gandhis and or with the top Congress leaders. Sources say the moves follow a meeting between Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Sachin Pilot 2 weeks back at a common place in NCR, after which talks were reportedly held at various levels. Former President Pranab Mukherjee this afternoon said that he has tested positive for coronavirus. In a tweet, Mr. Mukherjee, who was India's president between 2012 and 2017, urged all those who have come in contact with him in the last week to isolate themselves as a precaution and get tested for COVID-19. The outbreak has affected over 22 lakh people in the country. Actor Rhea Chakraborty has shared screenshots of WhatsApp messages to back her allegations that actor Sushant Singh Rajput had expressed concern about his sister Priyanka Singh's behavior towards her. Vikas Singh, the family lawyer of the actor who was found dead at his Mumbai flat in June, in an interview to the website Pink Villa, had claimed that Ms. Chakraborty had accused Priyanka Singh of molesting her, which led to a friction between Mr. Rajput and his sister. In a WhatsApp screenshot shared by Ms. Chakraborty, she said Mr. Rajput wrote her about his sister. "You do this after the shameful act, making this a cover-up to attract attention, playing a victim card to the most non-negligible act of molestation under alcohol. Well, my dear sister, there is our mother and there is God that my mother stood for, taught me things. And you have committed a crime according to that. If you're blinded by your ego, God bless you, because I am not afraid and I will continue doing what I have done till now in bringing out the necessary changes in the world. Let the God and nature decide what act is right now." A Delhi police head constable was killed and another injured late last night when a man rammed his car into their patrol vehicle near a college in North Delhi. The accused driver, a young man pursuing his undergraduate studies in Singapore, was drunk and speeding at the time of the accident. The police have tracked and arrested the man responsible for the accident and identify him as a 19-year-old Tushar Gupta, a resident of North Delhi's Model Town area. Mr. Gupta was returning home after meeting a friend when his Honda City rammed into the patrol vehicle near Khalsa College. The police said he was also injured in the accident. 17-year-old was killed and an off-duty District of Columbia police officer was fighting for her life after authorities said at least 20 people were shot when a dispute broke out early Sunday at a cookout attended by hundreds of people in Washington. DC police said at least 3 shooters opened fire from different locations about 12:30 a.m., sending panicked partygoers racing for cover and others screaming for friends and relatives. The dead teenager was identified as Christopher Brown. These were our top stories for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.